Whoa, what was that? Oh, ish. Our traveller's just broken.
Really?
Yeah. All right. Need bit of string. That needs some nick up. Bit of lashing. All right, I just need to get out of the way. Oh, in fact, I could use the traveller rope. All right, fucking hell. This is high pressure stuff. Yeah, okay. Oh yeah, that's much better. All right. Okay, so 1:30 to go, and our traveller's just broken. This is pretty unexpected, not ideal. So I'm just lashing this off to here, and that should just hold it in the middle. No traveller use in this race for us. Hopefully, 1 minute. Okay. How long?
40 seconds.
Okay, all right, yeah, all right, go for it. Okay, this is the worst possible timing. I've been out for quite a long time. All right, hang on, just... Yeah, I'm just trying to get it going. In fact, we could just go off on the other tack. If we can make it past the committee boat. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
We make that?
Yeah.
All right, let's... All right, quite clearly terrible start. Oh, right, lost my hat. God. Right. All right, it's quite a unique perspective of the fleet from having made a terrible start. Gosh, I did not see that coming. Of all the things that could have failed, I didn't think the traveller was going to be the one, but there we are. We're still looking pretty, well, we're going to be looking pretty poor for a while, because we're in some dirty wind already. All right, so finally made it past the committee boat. 1 minute 40 late for the start, and we're trying out a new mode today, a new method. We're throwing away the book of what we've done before, and we're trying to do something else. So as you can see, Ben's playing the main sheet from the bow. And look at him, it looks like he's seen something up there. And he's not taking his eye off it. It's like he's seen a rare bird or something. And he is focused on that.
Just don't crash.
Yeah, it's all right, I'm watching where we're going. Yes, we're further forwards on the boat than previously. And with Ben, he's easing, just watching those telltales. And then sheeting in. And from what he can see up there, he's letting me know whether we should stay high or bear off a bit. Right, Marcus has tacked off. See, the one thing that we're not getting here is your input on what the fleet is doing, and
Yeah, my tactics is going to be out the window. You can come up a bit more if you want, Jack.
yeah, we.
Okay, that's it. And down a little bit.
Okay, so a rocky start on Bad Boy 94 in race 5 with some gear failure. That's gear failure that is kind of unlikely you'd ever prepare for that, because it's pretty unheard of, an actual traveller car just blowing out like that. Unless anybody's heard of it, in which case I'll take that back, it is heard of.
People attacking. More important from the start.
Where were we looking? Okay, got it. Well done. Didn't see that. I have got a blind spot. Yeah. A little bit of a panic there, Ben.
Yeah, a little bit of stop. I don't want to go fishing today.
Yeah.
Oh, well, just have a quick look at the mark one. Yeah, okay, they're all going early. So we can carry on, I think. Keep our tactics go on.
How does the wind look over the other side?
Okay.
Do you think where the other boats are? They double trapezing and
No,
whooping,
they're
and
they're really slow.
they're not whooping and cheering just yet.
No, they're very slow.
Good. Oh well, we've not lost out to that Italian boat too badly, even though we were eating their dirty wind. What's going on here? Are we a bit too high? Is it?
Yeah,
Just that's a bit of a header. Maybe in the next puff we could tack over. So we're being knocked.
Yeah, come down a little bit.
Yeah,
That's it.
I think we've gone about 7 degrees there.
Okay, they've gone. It's because we're getting a bit dirty air as well here. Okay, working it back up again. Yeah.
Yeah, so from Ben's vantage point, the top telltales on the mainsail, you can see whether we are too high or too low, or just right. Yeah, that's good.
They're going to go after them.
Yeah.
Just come off a bit. Bit light here.
Yeah. We'll do another 5 boat lengths and then we'll go.
Yeah.
Yeah, shall I take it? Okay, ready?
Yep.
Right, are we quite high of the...
No, we're good. You're on it. Come down a little bit. Orange marker's first one, yeah?
Yeah,
Yeah. Hey, you're on a good angle. Don't forget that current.
yeah.
Nice.
Oh, okay, so we have gone a little bit too far.
Well, we'll see. I think we'll see. Might be quite nice.
Right, so as you could probably see, Ben is actually staring directly into the sun, and he wouldn't be able to do this without his sun god sunglasses. Yeah, that's right.
And it's a Joyrider hat.
And his Joyrider hat, of
You
course.
can get that online.
You really can. Not quite as salty as Ben's one, but you can soon do something about that. Oh, we've strangely, I'm not going to say we've come out smelling of roses. I want to keep pointing if I can.
Oh, that would be nice.
Spreader, that was.
Yeah. She was talking back to us. Just didn't want her to shout at us with the traveller. That wasn't very nice.
Yeah.
A bit shouty.
My replacement traveller string is all right. Just not going to go for maximum main sheet tension.
Are we all right for recovering that second race?
We won't be able to fix it, but we'll put a beefier bit of string on it.
Okay.
I'll actually use the traveller line,
Yeah.
get it underneath, right round the beam.
Come down a notch.
Absolutely no one is going fast. That's, and
I think we're the best.
we're sort of clipping along quite gaily here.
Yeah. Gaily.
Yeah, gaily, you heard it.
Yeah. Gay rider.
We are broadcasting.
Did not.
Okay, it's been quite a first leg to have a serious bit of boat failure within 2 minutes before the start. That would be described as bad luck in anybody's definition.
There's the Spanish.
But I think we made the most of the situation by not going with the fleet, going the other way, staying in clean wind. Now I don't know what the ruling is if the wind drops off to a certain amount, whether the race just gets abandoned. God, that would be a bad day for Calvin and Angelica, who looks like, just going around the windward mark now, quite a huge distance ahead of everyone else. All right, we'll go for attack. I'll take the main sheet. All right, you ready?
Yep.
Okay, here we go. So a bad tack. So maybe there is a bit more wind out at sea. Certainly feels a little bit livelier out here.
Yeah.
So we're just going to have Jürgen to contend with after he's tacked.
Come up a bit.
Nice.
That's it, there's the limit. Don't go any higher. And down again.
Yeah, so they've already laid new mark for the next leg, next lap. All right, what do we think? So a bit high there.
Screaming.
Yeah, it's one of those pile-ups.
Are you clear here?
Okay, I can't tack just yet.
No, you're, but go past them.
All right, you ready? All right, I'll keep hold of the main sheet now. Okay, so most disastrous start in the history, but we're not last. Okay, so
We're going to hoist early now.
yeah, I think we could if we'd sail a bit of an arc. If we almost go up to that blue powerboat. In fact, I think hoist on time,
Yep.
because looking at that black one, it's just flogging all the way down there.
Yep.
That's just gonna be like putting the brakes on. All right, get out of the way. Yeah, go for it. Okay. Okay.
Or are we running down this one?
Yeah, gonna stay outside. I've got a feeling there's more wind and that current will be under us. We have debris. Just tell me if we can't bear away.
Okay, no, you're all good. Bear away anytime.
There it is.
Here we are. Playing again.
Back up to speed. It's like the upwind leg's so painful compared to the downwind.
Yeah, red's gone for a jibe.
Okay.
We could cover them.
Yeah, if we get a
Oh, they've messed it up. Bad start.
if we get a decent gust, then we could go. Sort of quite aware that we feels like we're going a little bit high maybe for the wind.
There's a gust.
All right, should we go?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. All right, coming up.
Good pressure.
So the secret of this good downwind speed, as well as the steering and the trimming of the spinnaker, is the OS3 Dominator. I believe that's not what the model name is, but it should be, because it really pulls like a pack of wild dogs. You just need to tame those dogs, and then domination can be on your in your arsenal on the race course. Oh, debris. A lot of debris in the water today.
Yeah, there is a lot.
Yeah, there was an almighty great big lump of wood just before the start as well. Oh, trying to bear away. All right, trying to hold it, trying to come up. Oh, big log. Whoa.
That's a big log.
That was a big log, but we had to bear away there anyway.
Good avoidance. Oh. That was a wave for this one.
I tell you what, this downwind leg's been our friend, I think,
Yeah.
so far, how it looks. So if you look at Big Mac down there with the green kite, he is hardly moving. I think out at sea, it really does feel like there's more wind. So I don't know what you think, Ben, whether we go for the right-hand gate and go out to sea
I think so.
to try to hang on to this.
Well, no, I think we did well to come back on that upwind leg on the left-hand side here, Joe.
Yeah,
Along the shore again. Don't forget about throughout the day is it's veering.
All right, we have got a boat coming in on starboard.
Yeah.
Driving back. Yeah, I think they steered around us, which was quite generous, but
Go for left hand gate if you can, go.
yeah, okay. Straight on.
Bit flat here.
We are going to have a lot of traffic up the left from the left. We could go round the right, then tack off after a few boat lengths
Well, going left.
for a bit less traffic.
Yeah, you could do.
Let's-
Drive and then go around.
Yeah, quite keen.
Watch out for the starboard tackle here.
Tell me when we're good to jibe for the right.
No, not yet. Go behind these.
Okay, you might have to funk the kite.
And then stay straight.
Say when?
Keep going. Keep going.
Go straight.
Yeah.
All right.
Come to starboard a little bit. Go for left mark. You can guide if you want. You can
Okay,
guide.
yeah, gonna.
Guide.
All right, a bit early. Get rid of it. Yeah, I'm just trying to avoid being reversed into. Crikey. Right, somehow, just somehow, I'm just going to leave it at somehow.
You can pull the retriever.
No, I think that's it actually. Yeah, I think we dropped it on the other tack to normal, didn't we?
Got nothing for attack.
Yeah? Yeah, so ready? Yeah? You keen?
Yeah. Before they pick up speed.
Gosh.
Okay, you're okay.
Yeah. It's very poor tack. Yeah, we might be a bit in tight on the main.
Just got the spinnaker coming down on us. Spinnaker coming down on us on our port.
Yeah, it's all right, we've got rights.
I know. Just do a bit of easing on the jib and then come back in on it, if you can.
Ease the jib a little bit.
Yeah, or you can.
Oh, okay, was it on the spreader?
Thank you. And then come back in.
Oh, it's not quite so easy.
Yeah. That's good.
All right. Yeah, it may be low wind, but it's certainly high octane. All right, we've just got pre-coat, the Austrian boat on starboard tack, but we look good.
Yeah. Yeah, hold you go. You have that, J-Lo.
Does feel like a much more agreeable way to sail the boat. And I dare say some of you in the comments will be like, yeah, I've been trying to tell you that for years. Because just sitting on the boat and occasionally playing the main sheet when it doesn't feel right just doesn't seem as effective as this constant trimming. I'm happy that we went round the right gate as well. I think we would have been just getting murdered down there otherwise. So I think we're still holding a position in the top 30 here. If we're lucky, if we could try to avoid blowing that, that would be marvellous. This is the second lap, for those of you who've been counting. And for those of you who haven't been counting, this is the second lap of a 3-lap race. The windward mark has moved.
Has it gone left or right? Because we're going to go.
It's gone right, I think.
Oh, so even more in the special marker zone.
Yeah, except we went out to sea a bit more. Right, just losing a little. Yeah. She's going a little bit limp there.
Come down a bit. Yeah.
All right, we've got Tito from my beefer. He's tacked off remarkably early there, actually, but I think he's going to go clear in front.
Yeah, you cannot come down a little bit. That's good.
You almost said if you want, but it's not up to me.
No.
Do as I say.
Be polite.
Do as I say, not what you think.
Yeah.
I think that's the.
Yeah, hold in there. A bit high here, Joe. Come down.
Okay.
It's just been knocking us a bit away from the wind.
Yeah, we've gained quite a lot on Jürgen actually. It was Jürgen who was in front of us going around the top mark lap before. Might need you to switch to lay spotter as well.
These 2 boats are getting clear. This is good. Oh, it's not far away, Joe.
Yeah.
I mean, they're almost making it.
What, the Tito on the blue one?
I think we got a bit earlier.
I think we risk it for a biscuit.
As long as we don't get smoked and covered by these 2, you don't want to get.
God, there's Mackie D's. He's dropped back a lot. He was in 4th.
Let's go after Mackie D's.
Top mark last time.
What are you going for today?
What are we going for? Oh, we're going for Big Mac.
Oh, Big Mac today.
Big Mac medium fries.
I'm going to eat Tim up then. I like Big Mac.
I like the gherkin. Put it in the comments below. Do you like the gherkin, or in America you might call that the pickle, or not like the gherkin? Oh yeah, lovely bit of just a little bit of sauce there. Maybe that's like the Thousand Island. We are in almost exactly the same spot.
Yeah.
And he knows what's coming.
Yeah, he knows he's going to get skunked.
All right, shall I take? Thank you. All right, is now a good time?
Yeah. Now good.
Okay. Here we go. I have no use for this. But I think what I could say is this is the first race when, touch wood, other boats haven't been sailing away from us on the upwind. But you know what I see? I see J-Lo. And I know, do you know what's on J-Lo's mind?
What?
We'll come across the front of Joyrider, and we'll tack just in his good stuff. He might not make it. Oh, a bit of a puff there. If we can squeeze up in the puffs.
Yeah, come up. There's the limit.
Okay, I'll just come down a little bit then.
We're pulling away from these guys. Windrush behind.
Yeah.
They're thinking, what are they doing?
Hope you're enjoying the coverage, by the way, on Joyrider TV. You can also see extra coverage on the Activity Holidays Greece Instagram page, where Ben's posting a lot of the juiciest behind the scenes action. Juiciest? Oh dear.
There's a bit of juice.
Bit of the slop there.
Yeah.
Oh, we're a bit high.
Alright.
There's the French. So it's been very even both ways up that beat.
Come off a little bit.
Off.
Jib's gone funny again. I bloody hate that jib. French, what position is it?
First.
First position yesterday.
And 8th.
French.
Yeah. I think they're sitting in first overall.
Nice. You need a bit more jib trim. Thank you.
Oh gosh, we're having a pinch here like some sort of dog.
Yeah, we're a bit high here.
Yeah, we've got to go for that if we're gonna make it.
Losing a bit on the jib. No, we need to come in tighter.
Oh right, okay, beg your pardon.
We're losing the wind on the jib because we're too high.
Okay, I think we are going to have to tack another 2 times, maybe,
Yeah, let's
because
just go fast and do it. Sail our course.
well, the French are going for ultra pinch mode, unless there just happens to be a.
Behind Windrush.
Oh yeah, there is a little bit more wind there.
Yeah, come in on your jib. Yeah. Italians aren't making it, and we're some line for them too. Get caught in the trap here.
Oh gosh, the French just caught a lobster pot.
Oh.
They're having a shocker.
We're going to go behind these Germans. Singers.
J-Lo.
J-Lo.
Yeah, Jenny from the block. Okay.
We're struggling here, Joe.
Yeah, I know. All right, let's go. Ready? Oh, he's caught a lobster pot as well.
Okay, keep going, power up. Keep going straight. Yep, he's just been caught in the pot. Keep going. He's got caught in the pot.
Say when we can tack. No, tack for the mark, I mean. Yeah, that's. And we're straight down this time, Ben, so you might need to get into.
Have they got water? Yep. Come off a little bit. Fine. Yep.
This is about as close as you want to get. Well done. Thank goodness for that. That was another remarkably painful end to the upwind.
There you go. That's how you pull away. Okay, concentration. Yeah, nice. I like that, Joe.
Yeah,
That was good.
crikey. I'd have to say it was unlucky, really, well, lucky for us that J-Lo caught that
Right.
that lobster pot, otherwise we'd have had to duck him.
Come on, we've got to overtake some more boats. Make up.
This is lap 2, I believe.
Coming from the back of the fleet, we're working our way up. Maximising it. Yeah, good pressure here.
It really did seem like the upwind was completely even.
Yeah.
I think that we just got to make sure we stay out of the traffic.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good breeze.
All right, Jürgen's jibing. Shall we jibe?
Yeah.
All right, yeah, got a bit of a gust for it. Here we go. Aggressive, heading up, get the power on. All right, we're probably going to have J-Lo on starboard.
We could cover him. I think he's shot it properly. Stand by, James.
Okay, yeah, standing by. Say when.
And jibe.
Okay, a little bit early.
They're going to give us an... We've got clear air over here,
Yeah.
and lights as well.
Yeah, I'm going to try to run off deep.
Yeah, just wait forward. Yeah, we're clear of the Aussies almost. Come up a little bit, yeah, try there, hold in there. Yeah, good. Go for right mark around it.
Yeah. Okay, I'll get out of the way. Okay, nice. Here you go.
For some reason it's not going.
Yeah, it's because we're dropping it on the other tack.
Keep half an eye on the fleet, Joe.
Half an eye. Half an eye kept.
Oh, jeez, it's a drone. I wonder what that buzz was.
All right, jib. Just going to sail with it eased a little bit, mate.
Where's the Aussies going?
Same place where we are. I think we've just been headed quite a lot.
Well, why don't we tack off?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Have we got a gap?
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
They just change angle massively.
Okay.
Come down a bit.
Okay.
Down a bit.
Okay.
Down a port.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Well, thank you.
Thank you for bringing me to Germany. This lovely adventure, lovely experience. We've lovely people in a lovely class.
There you are. You heard it here first. If you're thinking of a class to get into, Tornado class really does. It really does. Cost-wise, you get probably the most boat speed for your dollar out of any type of class there is. You could get a competition worthy boat for about 6,000 units of currency, whatever that currency may be. Probably not drachmas. Bitcoin, yeah, definitely get a really nice one, gold plated. Very friendly fleet. Everyone in the fleet is very keen to help each other.
Very friendly.
Very friendly.
Everyone's trying to make each other go faster and get the best out of each other.
Yeah.
Make it a fair competition, I suppose.
Mm.
There are some here that put their life, souls, sweat, blood and tears into it. There are some here that are here for a joyous time.
And there are some here who usually just use their Tornado for sending it in 25 knots of wind, and sailing a whole week in 6 knots is quite an alien experience.
And we've broken the Traveller in 5 knots of wind compared to 30 knots of wind.
Okay, so here we are, we're back on board, coming into the windward mark the last time for this race. We have lost out a little bit there on that last lap since last time. I think due to the poor bit on the downwind leg. Good call on the ley line, we've absolutely nailed that without the need to sail super high.
For an early hoist.
See that early hoist, ugly.
We just rounded this marker though.
Yeah. All right, got it.
Yeah, yours.
I'll get out of the way.
Just make sure the feet stop.
Make sure that what is what?
Feet stop.
Okay, all about getting the power on as soon as we can. Lovely job. One more. Okay. All right, so we've got a tricky choice with a bit of a horde behind us chasing, but at the same time we're trying to advance on the boats in front. So we don't want to go for the all-out sort of hopeful early jibe maybe, or who knows. What do you reckon, Ben? What are you thinking right now?
I think we've got to do something different from J-Lo, so I think we should jibe.
But this pressure is
I know it's nice though.
Is golden. I think maybe we should carry this all the way over to the lathe for the committee boat, just because we're kind of charging here quite nicely.
It's flat there. Yeah. The other boats have jibed off, so he'll be thinking about it soon. Do you want to jibe on top of him?
Yeah, I think so. How are we looking for the lay?
It'll be early if we go. Do you want to go through it in one, or?
Well, that'd be nice, but it's a bit of a
One-port tack,
yeah, it's tricky, isn't it?
Yeah. Or do you want to go on top of J-Lo?
Yeah, let's go on top of him, but we'll try to combine that with a nice puff.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this would be a good spot if...
He's not going yet.
Okay.
He's not going yet. He's thinking about it now.
Is he?
Yeah, he's about to go and thinking about it, He's looking. And he's going.
All right, we're going.
Yep.
We're going. Yeah, we definitely want to hit it in one if we can.
And they've gone. Let's go a little bit more.
Right, we're just drawing level there. Oh yeah, let's go.
Yeah, let's go. You want to go too early? It's nice. It's nice. See what I mean?
Yeah.
It looks like.
Yeah, look, I think our angles are
Our angle is just right.
different to what we.
Look at that. Look at that.
So we'll jibe before we drop it.
Yeah,
Let's finish the race first, maybe.
finish the race.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Woo! We made it.
Nice.
All right. I'll just get a little bit clear before we jibe.
Okay.
God, there's several boats behind us.
Yeah.
I reckon, I'm not going to look, probably around 20th. Can we jibe there? So there we go, ladies and gentlemen. What a race. I'd call that a recovery from what could have been a game finisher before we started. A real shake-up on the scoreboard there as well. All right, see you soon with some more on Joyrider TV from the Tornado World Championships.